Look up at the night sky. Away from city lights, a faint band of light stretches across the cosmos. This is the Milky Way, our galactic home. But the Milky Way isn't alone. Spot a fuzzy patch of light, Andromeda, another spiral galaxy. Both galaxies are engaged in a cosmic ballet, drawn together by gravity. These two galaxies are on a collision course. When it happens, it will reshape our cosmic neighborhood. So buckle up, space cadets, for a thrilling ride through the cosmos.
Let's start with what we know, our own cosmic home, the Milky Way. Picture a flat disk with spiraling arms like a cosmic pinwheel. That's the Milky Way. It's a barred spiral galaxy, meaning it has a bar-shaped structure in its center. The Milky Way is about 100,000 light-years across. Our sun resides in one of these spiral arms about 26,000 light-years from the center. The Milky Way is home to hundreds of billions of stars. New stars are born in vast clouds of gas and dust, while old stars die in spectacular supernova explosions. The Milky Way is our galactic home, a place of wonder and beauty.
Now let's journey beyond the Milky Way to our galactic neighbor, Andromeda. Located about 2.5 million light-years away, Andromeda is the closest major galaxy to us. Like the Milky Way, Andromeda is a spiral galaxy, but it's considerably larger, with a diameter of about 220,000 light-years. Andromeda has over 1 trillion stars. That's more than twice the number of stars in our Milky Way. It also has a massive black hole at its center, much larger than the one lurking in the heart of our galaxy. Andromeda is a fascinating object to observe. Its spiral arms are dotted with star-forming regions, glowing with the light of newborn stars. One of the most intriguing features of Andromeda is its double nucleus, 2 bright points of light at its center. Astronomers believe this double nucleus is the result of a past galactic merger, where Andromeda devoured a smaller galaxy. This gives us a glimpse of what's to come when Andromeda and the Milky Way eventually meet.
In the vast expanse of space, galaxies are not stationary objects. They move, they interact, they dance under the influence of gravity. And gravity, as we know it, is a powerful force, especially when it comes to massive objects like galaxies. The Milky Way and Andromeda are no exception to this cosmic dance. In fact, they're on a collision course, drawn together by their mutual gravitational attraction. You might think that galaxies colliding would be a catastrophic event, a cosmic demolition derby. But in reality, galactic collisions are more like graceful waltzes, albeit slow and drawn-out ones, spanning billions of years. The space between stars is vast, so individual stars are unlikely to collide during a galactic merger. Instead, the galaxies will pass through each other, their gravitational forces distorting their shapes, pulling out long streams of stars and gas, creating stunning cosmic displays. This gravitational interaction will eventually cause the two galaxies to merge, forming a single larger galaxy.
Section 5. A Dance of Titans, the collision course. The collision between the Milky Way and Andromeda is not something that will happen overnight. It's a slow-motion event, unfolding over billions of years. Astronomers estimate that the two galaxies are currently approaching each other at a speed of about 70 miles per second. At this rate, the collision is expected to begin in about 4 billion years. The first stage of the collision will be a close encounter. The two galaxies will pass through each other, their gravitational forces causing tidal tails of stars and gas to be pulled out from each galaxy. This encounter will disrupt the spiral structures of both galaxies, warping their shapes. Over the next few billion years, the Milky Way and Andromeda will continue to interact, passing through each other multiple times. Each encounter will further distort the galaxies, pulling out more stars and gas, creating a chaotic but beautiful cosmic display. Finally, after this cosmic dance, the two galaxies will merge completely, forming a new, larger elliptical galaxy.
Section 6. Star. Birth and Chaos. A cosmic ballet. During the collision, the galaxies won't just pass through each other without consequence. The gravitational interaction will stir up the gas and dust within each galaxy, triggering a frenzy of star formation. Imagine vast clouds of gas and dust, compressed by the gravitational forces of the colliding galaxies, igniting into a firestorm of star birth. New stars will blaze into existence, lighting up the cosmos with their brilliance. This period of intense star formation will be a spectacular sight, with new stars of all sizes and colors illuminating the merging galaxies. However, the collision won't be all about creation. Some stars will be flung out of the merging galaxies altogether, cast adrift into the vast emptiness of intergalactic space. Others will be drawn towards the center of the merging galaxies, where they will face a more chaotic fate.
Section 7. When galaxies collide, a new galactic order. As the Milky Way and Andromeda merge, their central supermassive black holes will also spiral towards each other, eventually merging into a single, even more massive black hole. This process will release tremendous amounts of energy, creating powerful jets of radiation that could be visible across the universe. The formation of this new galactic center will be a tumultuous event, with stars and gas swirling around the merging black holes at incredible speeds. The intense gravitational forces near the black hole will tear apart some stars, while others will be flung out into the surrounding galaxy. After billions of years of chaos and transformation, a new galactic order will emerge. The Milky Way and Andromeda will have combined to form a giant elliptical galaxy. A massive ball of stars with little gas and dust, much different from the spiral galaxies that preceded it.
Section 8. Milkomeda, the future of our cosmic neighborhood. This new galaxy, often nicknamed Milkomeda, will be a truly impressive sight. It will be a giant elliptical galaxy, much larger and brighter than either the Milky Way or Andromeda. The Sun, our star, will still be around, but its position in the new galaxy will be different. It might be flung further out into the galactic suburbs, or it might find itself closer to the center of the action. One thing is for sure, though. The night sky from Earth will be dramatically different. Instead of the familiar band of the Milky Way, we would see a bright, oval-shaped galaxy, a beacon of starlight in the cosmos. Milkomeda will be the dominant galaxy in our local group, a collection of over 50 galaxies gravitationally bound together. This merger will reshape our cosmic neighborhood, but it won't be the end of the story. The universe is constantly evolving, and new chapters are always being written in the grand cosmic narrative.
Section 9. A cosmic spectacle, billions of years in the making. The collision of the Milky Way and Andromeda is a reminder of the vast scales of time and space that govern our universe. These events unfold over billions of years, a timescale that dwarfs human comprehension. It's a humbling thought, but it also fills us with awe and wonder. We are fortunate to live in a time when we can witness these cosmic events, even if it's from a safe distance of millions of light years. We have powerful telescopes that allow us to study these galaxies in detail, unraveling the secrets of their formation and evolution. And we have computer simulations that can model these collisions, giving us a glimpse into the future of our own galaxy.
Section 10. Beyond the collision. The universe keeps expanding. While the Milky Way and Andromeda are destined to merge, the wider universe is expanding and the space between galaxies is increasing. This means that most galaxies are moving away from each other. However, some galaxies are close enough to each other that their gravitational attraction overcomes the expansion of the universe, leading to collisions and mergers. These galactic mergers are essential for the evolution of galaxies and the universe as a whole. They drive the formation of new stars, they reshape galaxies, and they create the diverse structures we see in the universe today. The universe is a dynamic and ever-changing place, and we are just beginning to understand the complex processes that govern its evolution.
Section 11. Keep looking up. The cosmos beckons. So, the next time you find yourself under a dark, starry sky, take a moment to appreciate the cosmic dance happening above you. The Milky Way, our galactic home, is on a collision course with Andromeda, our nearest galactic neighbor. But don't worry, this collision is billions of years in the making, and it promises to be a spectacular event, reshaping our cosmic neighborhood and creating a new giant elliptical galaxy. The universe is full of wonders, and we are constantly making new discoveries that challenge our understanding of the cosmos. So, keep looking up, keep asking questions, and keep exploring the vast unknown. The universe is out there, waiting to be discovered.